Oh my god, you guys, I forgot. There's a ton of laundry on my feet we still have to do. There's more powder coming. Sorry. I forgot. Thank you. Glad you guys are enjoying. If you're new here, hit that follow. Got a lot more powder going in. Guys, remember when we did that 15 can powder bomb? I'm still thinking about it. Where are the sponges? Just one bite. Hey, Tara. Whoa. One is for Brit, and I think I have another big lemon. Oh, and I have a pine jug, but you're cut off, Oka. No sending. Hi, Rachel. I'm good. We do have a lot of powder going in though if anyone wants to send for liquids. Okay, good, Ari. I want to smooth this out so bad, but it'll take me like 10 minutes with an epoxy. Oh, we got a liquid going in? Oh. Yeah, what? Princess it. I think Tara might be sending. I've got a hidden lemon panelin in my stash. Beautiful. That smells so good. Thanks, Tara. Tara and my Roman Empire. Oh, it smells amazing. Yeah, I'm taking that one out and I'm gonna grab epoxy. Look at the color still. Guys, did you all see the mini pinole bags I had? They're so baby. That's mama and baby. Okay, we just have laundry left. Okay, just making sure I didn't have any hidden dish soap or something. Mama y papa. Oh, that smells good, you guys. No, I was sorry. I was just looking around to make sure I didn't have anything that was full. Mama y papa. Hi, Wicked, by the way. She squirted. Me too, Judy. It is like right up against my face. Is everyone doing okay? Are the non-FYP girlies okay? I know, I'm shocked it stayed pink with so many cans. Thought we were gonna end with gray. Well, to be fair, we're about to do 15 cans all in, so that'll probably turn gray. You know what, too? If you're new here and have no idea what's going on, sometimes you just have to wait and see, or, you know, you don't have to know that very second you enter the live. What is that? You could sit, you could read my host message that says it's sponge squeezing ASMR. Because if you're coming in saying, what is that? Every other person you can assume is also doing it. Thank you for coming to my gentle parenting TED Talk. Oh my god, no, my last live, we had 2.7K people in here. And it was like steady. I was like, what is going on? Where's Sponge? Oh, do the rest in. I can't with these little bats. They're so cute. Little baby. Okay, last laundry powder. And then we have 15 cans all in. Amy, are you still in here? Oh, about to stretch my back. Ooh. She's good. She's sleeping on the couch. She's doing good. I just bought her a new one today. Thank you, Auntie Tara. I am just making a mess, you know? And then you know what happens after making a mess? Clean the mess. Ooh, that smells good. Thank you for the gifts, my angels. This literally smells insane. Oh, we're overflowing on this side. Thank you guys for the gifts. Honestly, it smells really floral. Florally, lemony. Oh, here's the sponge. Thank you guys. Did Amy say she was still in here? I love this sound. Oh, there she is. Okay, just checking. Checking on my girl. My Pico is activated. Okay, so we're hand mixing 15 cans. Do you guys want me to smooth out clumps first or do that? Question mark? Or Amy, what do you think? Do you want your cans in now? I have an epoxy there, they sunk. Blue-eyed Mama is who sent for the cans. The splatter from my apartment. There's no more liquid going in. We'll do a little smoothing out. Yeah, I do have a pine vanillin jug. But we might not need it if we're about to hand mix, so I think we'll be good. Unless anyone wants to add it. Okay. Whoa. That was intense. Aria's anti-hand mix. Oh. Oh. I also love Ari. Look, I see a hair. Love you. Pancake mix. Pink pancakes. Liquid over here. The paste is typing things on my iPad. ¿Qué haces? Yo no sé. I always want to say sopa, but that's soup. Polvo. Is that chicken? I don't know. That was a hideous squeeze. Oh, those powder, okay. I can't ever remember what soap is. It's soap, and we're just playing in it and having a good old time. Thank you. Jabón. There we go. Thank you. Jabón. Estoy cocinando un sopa con polvo. Y I already forgot it again. Jabón. Who wants a bowl? It is so all up in my wrist. I can't believe it's pink. You probably can't see it, but. Okay. Hand mix.